Do you remember the good old days where you used to fill your car with expensive gadgets? Double din stereo unit with CD, DVD player, giant speakers and sub-boxes in the trunk, graphic equalizer in the trunk hidden in the floor, massive wire harnesses, a GPS unit, a dash cam, old school mobile phones, personal computers, even a Speedo. All these things took up a lot of space and cost quite a lot of money. There's a very simple modern solution to all this nonsense. All you need is one smartphone and one Bluetooth speaker. Today I'm going to show you how I retrofitted my 1936 Chevy Coupe into a multimedia paradise. All I needed was my trusty smartphone. This is an iPhone 11, but any smartphone will do the job. And this unassuming little Bluetooth speaker system. Now you can spend a fortune on Bluetooth speakers. This one was $60, and that is because it's actually hardwired power 110. Which can be a problem in some vehicles, but a lot of modern cars now have got a 110 outlet. I have retrofitted a 110 inverter to the car. It cost me $40. I'll show you that when we get to it. You will be surprised the sound you can get out of this tiny little box. So let's get to the car and I'll show you all the functions and wait you hear what that sounds like. So we just clip our phone into its holder, plug in the charge cable. Need to make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled. Hook it up to the speaker, like that. And now you have everything you need. You have Speedo, YouTube. So let's test out the sound. Perfectly fine. Really don't need bass that burst your chest open. So what else do we have? Obviously we have your mobile phone, which is going to be connected to the speaker. We have Spotify, all the music you could ever want. I'm not going to play that just now, or YouTube will copyright me. The only downside with Spotify, it doesn't go landscape, so if you want to view everything properly you need to hold the phone that way around, but I don't mind looking a bit sideways, you know. Spotify also has a built-in graphic equalizer, so you don't have to worry about that. And of course you have camera. You can take photos and you can use it as a dash cam. Why do you need another gadget? You just hit record, off you go. And the good thing about the camera, I could actually be playing music in the background on Spotify, shrink that down, put the camera on, or the GPS or whatever. Talking of which, GPS, Google Maps, it requires an upgrade, but I won't be using this phone for GPS because it doesn't actually have a SIM card. I can even control the heating system in my house from here. We're currently on cool mode, 77 degrees. We can check our mail. So pretty much all the apps on your phone you'll be able to use if you've got data. And it's sitting right there. And the best thing is, when you finish your journey, switch off, unplug, take your multimedia system away with you. No danger of it getting stolen. So this wee inverter I've got has got two 110 outlets. This little box here was only $40. We have a quick charge, two normal USB connectors, and as I say, two outlets. Also has another outlet for cigarette lighter, so you could actually hook in another one of these in tandem. What I think I might do is get another one of these for the back of the car, so that I can plug a couple of speakers in back there, and also possibly a drinks cooler or something like that. Sky's the limit. As long as you've got plenty of power in your battery, you're good. Now, I know this is not exactly groundbreaking information, but not everyone knows how easy it is and how affordable it is to get everything you want in your older hot rod or muscle car. Smartphone, everyone's got one. Pretty much everyone's got one. And a Bluetooth speaker, either a wired one, which you would need an inverter for, or just a rechargeable one. Rechargeable ones are quite a lot more expensive. You'd be probably looking at around $200 for a good bassy rechargeable Bluetooth speaker without a cord. As I say, that one cost $60. It was on sale on Amazon, but it is wired, but it also has a radio function in it as well. So I've got everything I need. So now that I've got everything I need, it'd be nice if we had somewhere to go. Oh, let's go for a wee drive, test everything out. I found somewhere to go. Let me show you where I ended up. We're at a viewpoint in Dundas, which looks out over the city of Hamilton, which is where I live. Way in the distance over there, Steel Town, lots of steelworks over there. Main city of Hamilton there. And our house is over that hill. Way in the distance there is the bottom left corner of Lake Ontario. You might be able to see a bridge there. I think that's the Lifty Bridge. It's pretty cool. I'll take you down there sometime. Who's that then? Need to follow. Oh well, better get home. If you want me to post up some links of where I got the inverter and the phone holder, leave a comment. Otherwise, keep your trap shut. Right, thanks for watching everyone. See you in the next one. Maybe I'll get some work done this time. Bye bye.